Chief Master Sergeant David Simmet. I am the Aircrew Flight Equipment Career Field Manager out at the Pentagon and Headquarters Air Force. My job is to represent the career field on behalf of the Air Force. The most important thing here going forward is that we recenter exactly what's important to us. Now the focus is METL, M-E-T-L. So that's mission, equipment, training, and leadership. That's what's important to us. The mission, we need to be centered and focused on the mission, making sure that we're connected to it, making sure that our equipment is sound, it is safe, it is serviceable. Our training is back to where it needs to be to make sure that we are able to make good decisions in the heat of the moment, whether home station or deployed. Leadership, making sure that we're growing and developing our leaders going forward, focusing on empowerment, making sure that our people are empowered, they're developed to be empowered, make sure that the future us's are more capable than we ever could be. We're going to build expertise. We're going to focus on proficiency. We're going to build stability. We're going to get back to our roots, making sure that we are experts in our equipment that are building the SMEs of tomorrow. We need to support innovation. We need to drive innovation. But we also need to encourage a connection to what our equipment actually does, theories of operation and the fundamentals of equipment. The more we understand that, the more we can turn around and then plug that into our missions. Now we're actually pushing industry and innovation. We're going out and we're talking to industry. We have the right piece of equipment at the right time, at the right cost. Over the last several years, we've been hearing from the field that everyone loves the direction AFE is going in. We have now developed an actual vision for AFE going forward at the tactical, at the operational, and at the strategic, which is at the MAGCOM and higher levels. The focus for the tactical is that our NCOs are going to get off of their desks. They're going to be back on the floor with their people producing high quality equipment. At the operational level, we're going to have folks who are trained and capable to do their jobs. They are empowered along the way. They're reinforcing empowerment. At the strategic level, we are engaging with the field, communicating with them. We are working alongside of them, and we're making sure that the field knows that we work for them, not the other way around. We need to roll back policy. We need to focus more on doctrine. We cannot let policy be a barrier. If you follow the TO and you produce safe, serviceable equipment, no policy matters anymore. We need to develop thinkers. We need to develop war fighters. We don't know what the next fight is going to be, but we know it's not going to be like the last fight. We have to purposely develop our people to make decisions and feel comfortable making those decisions. And that's the real goal of AFE right here, is to make sure that our people are purposely developed and they're focused going forward. They're good leaders who know their job and they're excited to connect it to their mission and get after it. That's what METL is all about. Mission, equipment, training, and leadership. And then in the deployed environment, it's all about agility. So we need to talk liquid metal, flow to the environment, be adaptable to what we need to do. Liquid metal allows us to adapt to the needs of the evolving mission and environment that we might find ourselves in. That's the overall goal of what we're going to be doing for the next 7 years, is rekeying AFE to make sure that we are arrayed for the future fight. Our people are absolutely amazing. They work hard every single day. I've been units across the Air Force visiting. Everywhere I go, we have brilliant, hardworking airmen at all levels, whether they're brand new A1Cs, whether they're our civilians, our NCOs, our contractors, our operational leaders. They all want to get after it. And we want to point them at a mission and then frankly get out of their way and let them surprise us with how they actually accomplish it.